We're in the midst of a global digital transformation, accelerated by an increase in the number and importance of companies' applications. And in pursuit of agility and innovation, more and more apps are moving to or being built natively in the cloud. These apps are often the main connection between you and your customers, so it's important that you optimize and secure their experience. As a leader in multi-cloud application services, F5 is uniquely positioned to take your apps from their core code in the cloud all the way through to your customers within a single solution set, reducing latency, increasing security, and providing visibility across the data plane for your entire app portfolio. Let's take a closer look at some of the things F5 offers your apps in the cloud. Application security, application access control, traffic management and performance optimization, API management. By inspecting encrypted application traffic and applying security controls, behavioral analytics, dynamic profiling, and other advanced mitigation techniques, F5 can block all application threats, including things like L7 DOS, botnets, API attacks, and all OWASP top 10 attack types, preventing malicious traffic reaching your apps, keeping them and your data safe and your business compliant. F5 provides secure authentication and authorization for users located anywhere using any device to apps deployed in any environment. We make sure your users are who they say they are and restrict their access so they can only see the apps and data they're supposed to. Leveraging identity federation, role-based access control, and multi-factor authentication, F5 enables single sign-on to your entire app portfolio for verified users, while blocking access for unauthorized users. Using a full proxy architecture, F5 delivers high-quality, ultra-low latency application experiences for globally distributed users, leveraging local and global server load balancing, SSL offload, TCP optimization, static and dynamic caching, and much more. That means your apps are always lightning fast and available, and your users always have a great application experience no matter where they're located. As your API network continues to grow in size and complexity, with each new application deployed, API security, performance, and manageability become increasingly important. F5's API management solution simplifies complex API architectures, providing high-performance routing, accelerated publishing of new APIs, and protection for all APIs with authentication, authorization, and DDoS protection, providing all this for both internal and external API traffic, along with real-time telemetry and visualization for every request. F5 solutions support any type of application, from legacy apps you've migrated to the cloud, to dynamic microservices operating within container environments. Plus, they work across hybrid cloud environments, so you have complete architectural freedom. Whether you're expanding in the public cloud, private cloud, or on-premises, you'll be able to repurpose existing services and policies to streamline app migration with consistency. And with centralized management, unparalleled visibility, and advanced analytics across your application portfolio, you can troubleshoot and resolve app issues faster, getting your apps back online before anybody notices. All F5 solutions can be easily provisioned and configured via declarative APIs, meaning you can focus more on what you're automating rather than how you're doing it. And integrations with CI/CD pipelines and the automation tools you're most familiar with mean the services your apps need can be implemented by operations teams, developers, or anybody else who needs them without slowing deployment times. On Azure specifically, F5 continuously supports evolving customer use cases by developing new integrations with native Azure services, like Azure Security Center, Sentinel, and Resource Manager. And depending on your cloud strategy, F5 solutions can be consumed in a form factor that supports your business requirements, whether that's self-managed software running in your Azure virtual network if you prefer complete ownership and management responsibility, or as a self or fully managed SaaS solution if your focus is speed and simplicity. F5 also affords flexibility from a licensing perspective, offering perpetual, utility, subscription, and enterprise licensing options to support your unique buying criteria and cloud strategy. Start a free trial on the Azure Marketplace to see why companies around the world rely on F5 solutions to deliver amazing digital experiences to their customers.